So, good afternoon, guys. This is Sujay here. I am from CMS Business School. I am from finance area. So, I'm going to give some insight of annuity value and the EMI calculation. So, we can do the modeling by using Excel to calculate the EMI and annuity value. There's something we have to use the functions. Then we can calculate the things. So this is the already data which is exists. So we were going to calculate the data. So this is the 5 year data, the period is 5 year and the monthly payment is 100 rupees and the interest rate is 10% and the future value of annuity value is 5 year. Okay. So we have to calculate the future value of 5 years annuity. So there is one function is there equal FV function. So we have to calculate the rate 10% divided by 12. We have to take in comma. You have to click on the period into 12. We have to take comma loan amount like monthly payment amount. Sorry, and close the bracket. So we are getting the negative value. Okay. So it is nothing like that. So this is the cash outflow where we were getting. So we can enter the value. We can enter the sign minus sign to get the value in positive. So we got it. So this is the value we have calculated for annuity value of 5 years. So next we are going to calculate the loan EMI value. Okay. Okay. We will start by giving the function. We have to use the PMT function. Okay. PMT function. So rate is 3%, which is divided by 12, comma, period is 10 years into 12 months, again, comma, in the loan amount and close the bracket. So this for this also we have to do the same thing. We have to enter the minus sign here. So we got the value for EMI. This is the monthly EMI amount we got. So here we have to apply. We have to take that. We have like the period is 10 years. So we have to calculate for monthly data EMI. So we have taken 120 months. So this table I have already created. Period, payment, interest, principal, and residual debt. Okay, we have to create these things. So in payment, we have to enter the EMI amount we got. After that, interest, which is loan amount into this is the monthly interest we have calculated. 3% out of 3%. This is the 1 year interest, and this is the monthly interest we have calculated. So we got the interest. This is the interest amount. Next, we are going to calculate the principal. This is nothing but the payment minus interest. We got it. Next, we have to calculate residual value. So residual value is 3 lakh. Yeah, 3 lakh minus the principal amount we got. Next, in second month, the EMI amount will not change. It remains same for 120 days. So we can't able to drag this. So just copy this cell and give the special partial test. Yeah, this is a partial paste. We have to click on values. So we got it. Now we can drag it. Just double tap. We got the value for 120 days. Now we have to calculate for second one. This is this into 2.0.25. We got second month interest. And after that, we have to give the payment minus interest. Yeah, we got it. Next, residual value minus principal, same as we have taken earlier. So we got this value. So no need to fill these things. We have to calculate for 2 months. After that, just give that. I will just drag this. We will get the value here. Just drag here. Double tap. I think so. We have done somewhere. Yeah, sorry. I forgot to mention that. Yeah, we have to freeze the cell. Then we will get the value. Now just drag it. We will get the value. Yeah, we got. To verify this at the 120 year, we have to get the zeros value. So we got it. So we done with this EMI calculation and annuity value, future annuity value. So next we will start with the regression analysis. So these are the data of regression analysis. Like we have taken the databases, it already exists. So we are going to do the analysis on these things. First of all, we are doing the trend analysis from taking this some of the columns. Like we are going to do the trend analysis of revenue. So these are the monthly in the 2019 monthly data we have taken. We have to do the calculation for up to 12 months. This is 12 months, and after that, in second year, 12 months. Like that, we have to do for 3 years. We have taken monthly. Okay. So in this, we have to enter the formula. We have to take the monthly. So we have to for the combination of everything, we have to take do the calculation. So we are taking the formula is equal sum if function. So first we have to select that database. We have to select this date. Is there no? So we can select this and we have to freeze these cells, because after that we are going to drag it. So we have taken. Now we are going to click on the trend analysis C3 cell, sorry, C4 cell. We have to freeze this cell, enter comma, again to the database. We have to select the revenue. And freeze the cell. Come on. Then let's check now. Our formula is correct. Yeah, it's correct. So no need to enter manually. Just drag this from here to here. So next we are doing to for COB. Same thing we are doing, but the little bit formula we have to alter. Enter equals sum if function again. Otherwise we can copy that and alter, but I am entering manually sum if. Now the same thing date we have to select, freeze the cell, comma. We have to click on C4 cell and freeze it, comma. We have to freeze the row, okay, comma. Again database. You have to select the cog column, freeze the cell, close the bracket. So we are getting the negative cog. So we can enter, we get positive, we can enter the minus sign here. Then we will get the cog value in positive. Same like we have to drag from here to yeah. Oh, sorry, I have done some mistake. Yeah, just drag from here to up to December 21. So we have done the trend analysis. Next, we are moving to the another sheet. Comparative analysis we are doing. Before that, we have to draw the trend line. Okay. Select these 3 rows. We have to insert that trend analysis chart. Click on insert. Click on the trend line. We can use same trend line. So this is my data I am getting. So you can see how it is moving. This is my revenue. And this is my cost of goods sold. So now we are going to move for second sheet, comparative analysis. In this, we are going to calculate revenue. Okay. To calculate the revenue, for this we are not going to like we are taking the combination of all the years. So like we have to enter the sum if function. Okay, here sum if function. Now we have to select the ranges, revenue, you have to freeze the cell, comma, you have to click on database, next we have to click on C column, freeze this cell. Otherwise you can select from C5 to up to 148. C48 up to one C5 to C48 you can select, but I have selected the whole. No problem, we can select like that. After that, comma, you have to select that date No need to freeze because we are getting all the values, like we are getting in every column, we are getting the same value. No need to freeze. Again, comma, in database, we are going to the database. Now we are going to select the country, like E. Here also we have to freeze the cell, close the bracket. Now let's check. Oh, sorry. One more thing we have left here, comma. We have to click on the C4. And here we have to freeze because in every column there are different countries are there. So freeze the, we have to freeze the row. Yeah, I have done it. Now let's check our answer is correct or not. Oh yeah, we got the answer is correct. Yeah, just drag this cell because we have given the all the cells we have freezed, so we will get the answer here. Next, same thing we are calculating for cog equal sum if sorry some not sum if we have to use sum if. Again same thing we are going to go to database, select cog column, freeze that, comma, again database, select the column, freeze the cell, comma, we have to select that C3, no to freeze here, comma, again database, select country, freeze the cell, freeze the row or like freeze the cell, comma, now we have to freeze the, here we have to freeze the row. So close the bracket. So here we are getting the value in negative. Instead of this, we can give the minus sign here. So gross, to calculate the gross profit, it's nothing but revenue minus COG, revenue minus COG. We got the value, just drag it. So to calculate the percentage, the gross profit divided by revenue. So we got the percentage. So this is the percentage for every, this is the percentage for every countries we have got that. So this shows that this is the comparative analysis of all the four countries we have taken. As you can see, Mexico shows the higher one. After that, USA, and the next one, Canada, and last but not the least, shows the Brazil. Next, we have done this comparative analysis. Next, we are doing the correlation. In correlation is nothing but we can do like it's a combination of two columns. We are doing equal. We have to here we have to enter the formula like function correl. We have to select this column, comma, and close the bracket. Yeah, we got the correlation of two columns. So same thing we are going to apply here. Equal correl Then come on, this close the bracket. We got the value. Here also we are going to do the same thing here. So friends, this is the way of calculating the Corel, comma, this one, close the bracket. Yeah. Same thing we are doing for every data which is given. Corel, this thing, close the bracket. So we have done with the correlation analysis. This is the data we got. For the first one, we got the 0.54. Next, we got the 0.47. And last, we got the 0.77. Next, we are going to do the regression. So for this thing, we have to add some of the tools. Okay, before that, in every Excel, there will be add in solver option will be there, and data analysis option will be there. We have to solver option is not mandatory right now, but the data analysis option is required. Just click on the data. There is data analysis option here. Yeah, this is main thing we are using for research purpose and all. So here one option is there, regression. Click on this. Then click on OK. So these are the things we are going to do. So these are the revenue we are going to click. From here we have to click OK. Yeah. In y-axis we have to take revenue and employee. X-axis we have to take employee engagement. Sorry, the formula is not applied, I think so. You can change here also. Then next one we have to choose that x-axis. So we are getting this value. So after that, we are no need to do in another way. We can, if you want to get the data in the same sheet, you can select that output range, and you want to import this regression data in another sheet. Just click on your sheet. But we are not going to take in another sheet. Can do in same sheet. One thing I just want to show. This is confidence level. It shows 95%. Okay. So we are going to select in same. We have to select that range. I have selected from here to here. Yeah, I will give the enter. Then okay. Oh, I have done some mistake, I guess. So here, let's see. Let's honestly check. I think so. Here we have done the mistake. Let's check now. Output range may be some. Yeah, we will select this area. Yeah, we'll go okay. We will will check with this. Actually, we have done here mistake. I got the point. We have done. We have not selected the proper cell. So we will select 40. Now let's see. We get the output. Yeah, we got the output. So before that, I just would like to know, tell you guys. So why in X we have selected the D, like why we have selected D and X we have selected C, because D is dependent on C. Okay, so we have selected the cell and we have got the output for X variable. Now we are going to get the data for 2. Like I mean, this 2 variables. Okay, these are the dependent on C. So once again, go to data analysis, regression, and select the from here. Like I will enter the manual. We have to select the 2 columns. This is E. Yeah, we have selected here. And this will be remains constant, and we have to select the range and select from here. You can give OK. Let's check. Somewhere we have done some mistake. Really. Let's check this. Yeah, this is correct. Next, this is correct. I think so we have to select the range once again. Okay. Let's enter command, then we check. Yes. Show that already. Sorry. We have to enter on above one. Otherwise, we can do one thing. We will select by manually from here to here. Just clear this thing. We can select manually from here to here. I believe we will get the value. Yeah. So now I got the point that we have done some mistake. I have rectified it. So we will start with in the data. We have to go data analysis, regression. See, we have to select that this C column you have to select. After that, give enter. Just select. I will select here manually. From here to here you have to select. Just select if you want in same worksheet. Yeah, I have selected the range. Just click on OK. See, you got the data. So these are the outputs import. This is for one variable and this is for two variable import. So we can easily interpret the data here by seeing the R square of both the data and variable 1 and variable 2 we can see. So we can interpret this for our own purpose. These are the calculation we have done with it. Okay, thank you very much, guys. It was a great learning for me and you guys, I guess. So I will wind up here only.